Today I'm going to do a robotic car I got from Bitblock. So first you take the parts. You can see the parts. In the front it is black and behind it is yellow. Then after I got some extra wires, and this is the DC motor and the cable for connecting the batteries, and here are the wheels, and these are the screws and the battery, and this is the blocks you need for the project to be working. So first you should take the parts out. After you have taken the part, first you should take this part. After that you should take this part. Then you should connect it. Like this. Then take one of the DC motor and keep the DC motor like this. After that you take this screw and connect it this way. Then you take the washer and roll it. Now take the DC motor and keep it like this. Now this way. The wire should be front, not back. And then take one screw and attach it from here. Washer and roll it. You take this screw and you can see a hole here. And keep the screw inside the hole. Okay, now you got the screw front here. Let's take one washer and roll it. After that, take this part and do the same as you did to this part. After you have done this, take this part and then we take this other part, the same thing, and keep it here. Okay. Now you take the wheels and fix it to the DC motor. fix one wheel and you can fix the other wheel after you have done the first side. Now my both wheels are fixed. So you should take this part and fix it here. Looking so cool. And keep it. Now you take the power block and the battery. This is the battery. Let's fix it. After fixing it, you connect it to the power block. After that, you take the motor driver, fix it, and the other motor driver. So this is the first thing you can do. You can hide the battery if you want, or if you don't want, you have it. Connect these cables to the DC, the motor driver. You can see this switch. It should be the same so they can go forward. If the switches are different, it'll turn again. I'll show you. This switch is like this and this switch is like that. It turns. If you keep the switch same, it goes like this the back side. This one goes front. It's a crash. More like this. Then after, if you want to add more, like I want it to be so cool with lights. So take the block out. Then you take this motor driver out and take the wire like this, and connect one here. Then you take this extra wire. This wire, it has 3 lights. Then you plug it in the side. After that, you connect these DC motor here. First you take the wire and then you keep it there. Or just take this wire up and then keep the dark so you can control it. After that, you take these parts and connect it here. This part is for holding. outside or inside your home. So please subscribe to our channel and keep your comments below. Bye.